Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to stop spam emails in Gmail. And for example, we receive many mails that we don't like and we want to stop those emails. So what we gonna do right now is just search for an example. So we go to BlockPit team right here. And then what you can do is very simple. Right here is standing unsubscribe. So you can click there on unsubscribe, and when it's not standing right there, go to the bottom of an email, because always is standing unsubscribe on that email on the lowest point. But if we want to do it on this way, we click on unsubscribe, unsubscribe, and right now we won't ever receive an email from this email address. It's exactly the same when you click on this, because then you go to that website. And then from here it already says we have removed you from our email list. No hard feelings, you can always resubscribe. So these are the two ways how this works. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for, and then from now, thanks for watching.